Welcome back to KKK by Jeng and
Otep!
Ang next experiment naman namin ngayon ay may pamagat na to float or not to float. Ang ating mga gagamitin ay
A glass with water, some salt,
salt 10 tablespoon po ito. 10 kutsara.
an egg, and a spoon.
Spoon. Panlagay natin sa egg. Ang una natin gagawin, ilalagay natin yung egg dito sa clear water lang. Gamit ang spoon, syempre, para hindi mabiyak. Tingnan natin kung mag-float or
Magsisink.
hindi. Or magsisink.
To float or not? Is it going to float? Is it going to sink?
Whoop!
Oh!
Wow!
It sinks.
It sinks.
It does not float.
Does not float. O ngayon, yung
Let's-
pangalawa naman nating step,
Take the egg out of the water.
alisin ulit. And then, ilagay natin yung asin dito sa tubig. Tapos tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari. Haluin natin.
Put some salt and mix it until it dissolves. Some salt.
Ching ka-ching ka-ching ka-ching.
Music montage. Da-da-da-da-da.
May music pa habang nagmi-mix tayo.
Da-da-da-da-da. 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 I can't keep this up forever. Just mix and mix.
Okay, pwede na siguro yan.
Yes.
Yung kaninang clear water, ngayon ay naging ano na siya?
brine or
yung
salt water.
water na siya. Subukan natin ulit. Ilagay yung
Now let
egg.
us put the egg and let us see if it will float or not. And
tada!
it floats!
Lumutang na siya nung may asin. Okay, explain, Sir Ote. Kinakabahan siya. Go!
When we put the egg into the clear water, the egg sinks because the egg has more density than the clear water.
Oh, mas mabigat daw yung itlog kaysa doon sa clear water. And then,
When we turn the water into brine or salt water, the egg is now less dense than the water and now it floats onto the top like that.
oh, yon, bumigat siya dahil sa salt. Yon ang aming experiment na to float or not to float. Thank you. See you next experiment. Bye.
Bye! Alright, let's start. Beep boop bop, beep boop boop, push music montage!